What's up guys, it's me Geek. So how to use the app pair. For example, I'm use my Panasonic camera app with the Google Chrome, but I always wanna use launch these two apps at the same time. Let me go to IG and yeah, because I wanna sometimes browse IG and while I'm recording or something like that, whatever I mean. So how I can do it? First I have to make it like multi-window. Okay, here we go. But I want to make it like whenever I want to launch in future I can launch at same time. Now it's you need to click this one again, click this one, the plus icon now is added. You see, let me close. For example, now I want to launch two apps, the same app which I use the most. Just click this one. You see, app pair. That's simple. It was me, Umair. Subscribe and bye.